Alright, an exercise 10A. I don't think we'll do them all, we'll just do every other one. So find the area under the curve between 0 and 2. So just make sure you lay it out right. Put dx. So now you're good to integrate. Add 1 to the power, divide by it. Add 1 to the power, divide by it. X reappears. You can put your plus c in or you can leave it out. Sub in 2. 2 cubed is 8. 7 times 2 squared is 4. 10 times 2. Sub in 0. Gives you all zeros. And then just go to your calculator. So 8 over 3 minus, that becomes 14. Add 20. Gives you 8 2/3. Number 3. So the area is when you integrate between minus 2 to 0. Just keep your order minus 2's first, then it's 0. 2x squared plus 7x minus 4 dx. So your normal integration. Add 1, divide by it. Add 1, divide by it. X reappears. You can leave off your plus c or you can put it in. Sub in 0 first. So 0 plus 0 minus 0. Take away, sub in minus 2. Be careful here now. Minus 2 cubed is minus 8 times now 2 is minus 16. Plus minus 2 squared is 4. 7 fours are 28 divided by 2, 14. Minus 4 times minus 2 is plus 8. Lots of places you can go wrong here. Don't be tempted to go too fast in this bit. Take your time to go minus 16 over 3 plus 14 plus 8 to give you an answer in this bracket of 50 over 3. So it's not minus 50 over 3. And you remember you always give area as a positive, so it's 16 2/3. Try question 5. Area. You're going between 1 and 2, and the curve is x squared plus 2x minus 24 dx. So how do we do that? We add 1, divide by it. We add 1, divide by it. The x reappears, and up to you whether you put the c in. Sub in your 2. I use curly brackets and sub them in. So 8 over 3 plus, well, those 2's cancel down, and then 2 squared is 4. 24 times 2 is 48. Sub in your 1. So it's 1/3 plus 1 minus 24. Again, take your time. Don't be tempted to do all this in one go because you could easily make a mistake. So the first bracket is minus 124 over 3. Take away, and 1 divided by 3. Add 1 minus 24. Second bracket is minus 68 over 3. So you've got minus 124 over 3. That becomes plus 68 over 3. Gives me an answer of minus 56 over 3. But make sure you give that as a positive. So your area is 18 2/3 units squared. Okay. Number 7. If you've got the hang of it, you don't have to keep listening to me because it is very, very repetitive. So we're going between 0 and 1. So x squared. I'm just running this for those of you who need a wee bit of extra help. Okay. Add 1 to the power, divide by it. Add 1 to the power, divide by it. X reappears. Square brackets. Sub in 1. Sub in 0. So we have here 5/6 minus 6 is minus 5 1/6, but make sure you give the area as a positive value. So units squared. Number 9. So here we go again. Area is between 1 and 2, and it is 12 minus 20x plus 3x squared dx. So square brackets, once you've integrated, x reappears. Add 1, divide by it. Add 1, divide by it. 2 and 1. I'll tidy that one up there. Just make it a wee bit easier as I go through. So sub in 2. 24. 2 squared is 4. Sub in 2. Sub in 1. 12 minus 10, add 1. Work out your first bracket, 24. And don't be scared for reaching for the calculator, because you'll find you can make lots of mistakes, silly mistakes. And I would always just use my calculator. So that's minus 11. So obviously you give your area as a positive 11 units squared. Okay, couple more to go. Number 11. So the area is the integral between 0 and 3 of 2x squared minus 3x minus 20 dx. So add 1 to the power, divide by it. Add 1 to the power, divide by it. X reappears. 3 and 0. Putting in your 3. 3 cubed is 27, divided by 3 is 9, times 2 is 18. Sub in your 3. 3 squared is 9 times 3, 27, over 2. 20 times 3 is 60. Then sub in 0, all becomes 0. So working that out, it's 18 minus 27 over 2. Take away 60, gives you minus 111 over 2. So write that as a positive. So it's 55.5 units squared. Number 13. Find the area between the lines 0 and 2, and you get x squared plus 2x minus 8 dx. So you add 1, divide by it. Add 1, divide by it. X reappears, and your limits are 2 and 0. I'm just going to cancel off those 2's instead of writing out again. Sub in your 2. So 8 over 3 plus 2 squared minus 8 times 2. Take away, subbing in your zeros. So 8 divided by 3 plus 4 minus 16 on your calculator gives you minus 28 over 3. Writing that as a positive number. So it's 9 1/3 units squared. And last one, number 15. You've got the area between 0 and 2. You have 3x squared minus 2x minus 8 dx. So to integrate, add 1, divide by it. Add 1, divide by it. X reappears. You can put your c in or not, it doesn't matter. I'm just going to tidy that up a wee bit before I get going. Right, sub in your 2. So 8 minus 4 minus 16. Sub in your 0. So 8 minus 4 minus 16 gives me minus 12. So area is 12 units squared.